And basically, we wanted to transform E. coli into an emitter-receiver system, so a chemical one. So we inserted genes inside the bacteria that would make it able to sense two different kinds of chemicals. And given the level of the chemicals, it would send itself one of the chemicals and some light, so some green or red lights. And then we would put them into a kind of grid with channels where they could communicate to each other and they would display patterns. So we struggled quite a bit because we were all students. That's part of the iGEM spirit. It's to teach undergraduate students how to lead projects a bit on their own. We struggled a lot with lab techniques, and my feeling at the end of the projects was mainly this one, which was we took very valuable living organisms that is already fine-tuned, balanced, very intelligent in its own, and we just break it down to recover very part of its functions to make it just alive, and then insert a very rough transmitter-emitter system that didn't really work because the living organisms couldn't really fit it properly. So I was kind of disturbed at the end of this project. And I thought maybe we should think the other way around, starting not how engineering tools can influence biology, but how biological tools and biological systems can influence the way we do engineering. So next semester project, 2 years later, we don't have that much projects in engineering. I worked on this platform, which is a robotic platform. Roombots are pieces of furniture that are made of single modules. You can see a module here. And these modules are equipped with motors, which make 3 motors that makes it able to rotate over itself. And you can, so that these modules produces pieces of furniture that can be then assembled into, or self-assembled into pieces of furniture, but they can also move around the house. So each of these servo motor has a microcontroller, like we did with Mitch this morning, and this microcontroller controls the robot. And we use 2 different kinds of bio-inspiration in this process. First, the microcontrollers are seen as artificial neurons that get inputs and produces outputs like